Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and I make videos to fashion, travel, lifestyle, and a lot more. And welcome back to another video, another favorites. Last month I skipped on my April favorites because I thought the pandemic is going on. It was the second wave and it was lockdown all over. So I was like, let's just skip this month's monthly favorite. And this month I am back with another video. So in this video I have a lot of skincare, hair care, I have a lot of snacks, I have a lot of fashion favorites, and I'm gonna keep this video very short, and I also have a Netflix favorite. So let's get started. So let's start with the hair. So for hair I have the Mamaearth Rice Water Shampoo and Conditioner. Guys, this is not sponsored at all. I do not work with Mamaearth. Especially for YouTube, I don't, and this is my actual genuine reviews. I did work for them for Instagram. I really love the product. That's why it comes in my monthly favorites. And this is the shampoo, this is the conditioner. Genuinely, this makes my hair very soft. Like I have used this today, not really today, I washed my hair yesterday, and you can see my hair like very smooth, soft. I have not applied any serum. It's my natural hair and it does not dry up my hair, but the only problem I have is I have to shampoo twice, and not with like thoda amount. I have to take a lot of shampoo. I'm pretty sure my shampoo is only this much left and my conditioner is like this much left. So that's that, but the combo is great and my hair feels amazing. So yeah. Next up, I want to share a skincare favorite, which is the Derma Co 2% Alpha Arbutin Face Serums. I got this in PR and I was not sure what to do with this and what will this product do. So I thought, let me give it like a try for like good 2 weeks and then see if this works or not. And I tried this for my acne marks. Basically, if you remember, I did a mango challenge, and after that my face was bombarded with pimples because I ate so much mango in a single day and I had so many pimples, and unko remove karne ke liye I needed something. So I tried this for like 1.5 weeks straight and I have seen results. So this is like basically for acne marks. You have to apply it in the morning and at night before you go to sleep, and this is great for acne marks removal. And this has worked great for me, and I think it will work great for you as well. So you can give it a try if you're looking for something for your acne mark. Next up, I have something similar. I have the Derma Co 5% Niacinamide Clay Face Mask. As you can see, I have used a lot of this, and this is a great face mask. This is again for acne marks, for removal of acne marks, and I personally don't know if this does remove acne marks, but it feels great on the skin. It has some great ingredients which are great for your skin, so I personally enjoy using this face mask, and this does not strip off my moisture, so I love this face mask. Next up, I have a hand and nail cream. This is by Pilgrim. This is their red wine hand and nail cream. I am doing a video on Pilgrim in which I am going to review most of their products, and like what I did with M Caffeine. So I've ordered a lot of Pilgrim products, and this is by far my favorite. So this is a very light texture hand cream. Let me show you. As you can see, this is how the texture is. It just melts like very easily on your hands. It's super hydrating, non-oily, non-sticky, feels great on the skin. But the only thing I have with this is like this for 350 rupees. This is very small. Personally, Marks and Spencer's I have tried hand creams. They are for again 300, 400, and they're like this big tubes and they're like almost double. So that's something with this, but the cream is nice. It's quite hydrating and it feels great on your hands. Non-sticky, because hand creams may stickiness is a major part, because you don't really want your hand creams to be sticky, because nahi to haath saare din aise chip chip karenge, which we don't really want and like. We have one last skincare product, which is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This I showed to you in my products I'm obsessed with skincare edition. Oh my god, this is such a good lip mask. As you can see, I've used a lot of it and I use it like on a daily basis. Still itna kam use hua hai, and I really love it. I will highly recommend it. This is so worth the money, like 500 rupees ki iti si dabbi, and I'm pretty sure it will last you like 4-5 months easily, and this is so worth it. It actually made my lips very plump and shiny, and there's no more dryness on my lips. They are not patchy at all. So I personally enjoy using this lip balm and I will highly recommend. Okay, so that was all the skincare I had. Now I want to share a product, which is this razor right here. This is from the Bombay Shaving Company. So this is how it looks like. This is their face and face razor basically. So I use it for my upper lips, eyebrows, and my sideburns, and I love it. I love this. I have recently got this. I got this in my Nykaa haul. You have seen that, right? So I've used this like couple of times and I've really enjoyed using this. I am definitely going to repurchase it as well. And yeah, if you want to know how I shave my face, there's a specific video. You can go in the description and watch that video if you want to know. Okay guys, so it's time for makeup. I have two lipsticks right here, and later on I thought कि दोनों बहुत ही similar shades है. The first one is by Sugar in the shade Holly Go Lightly, and it's in the shade 04. Let me swatch. I should have sharpened it before showing it to you guys. This is how the shade looks like. It's very matte. The stay is also good, like it stays for good 3-4 hours. It does transfer, but it does not transfer a lot. So it's a great lipstick, but the problem I have with this is that you have to sharp this. I'm not a big fan of sharpening lipsticks and products like kajals and stuff, but this is something I really enjoy. This looks great on my face, so yeah. And the next lipstick I have is again a similar shade. This is the mini one. Maybelline sent it to me. They were about to launch this, but I'm not pretty sure that have they launched the mini lipsticks or not. This for like 100 rupees, and this is in the shade Best Babe. This definitely comes in a full tube, and after my bhabhi seeing this and using this once, she has ordered a full tube already. So let me show you how the shade looks like. It's in the shade Best Babe, and oh my god, these lipsticks are too similar. So this is the liquid one, this is the pencil one. The shades are quite similar, but this is transfer proof. It does not transfer at all, does not budge at all. And I think it's a great thing that, you know, in 99 rupees you're getting a small lipstick. It's so easy to carry. I personally loved the packaging because it's so convenient. In fact, you know, this niche ka portion you can cut also because the lipstick is still here. So you can cut this if you want, and you know the packaging will be even smaller. It comes with a nice lip brush, what actual lipstick would. So I am personally waiting for Maybelline to launch these. Like I am really gonna order a lot of shades, and I think it's a great idea also because you get to try a shade 3-4 times and look for yourself if it suits you or not before buying in a full bottle. So yeah. And this has great stay, like the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte has a great stay in general also. Okay guys, so it's time for my snacks favorite. So the first thing I have, this time I have a lot of meaty things. So this is my favorite Amul dark chocolate. I enjoy this chocolate a lot. ये मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खाती हूँ and बीच में मैंने बिल्कुल बंद कर दी थी, but I recently got it and I love it. And this is like a perfect amount of मीठा, what I like. It's not very meaty, it's not very कड़वी. Bonneville की dark chocolates जो आती है वो बहुत ज़्यादा कड़वी होती हैं. I am not a that kind of dark chocolate person. This is perfect for my taste. I really enjoy it. Next up, I have something. Okay, so these are Haribo. Okay, so these are not made in India for sure. These I got from Punjab stores, if you're wondering. These are something Smurf, and these are like jelly, like these are like kind of jellies. So this is how the consistency looks like. It's like very chewy, very gummy, but I really enjoy eating it. So I think I'm gonna put it in a box ताकि ये खराब ना हो, because अगर ऐसे open रही तो ये सिल जाएंगी. सिलेंगी तो नहीं, पर पता नहीं क्या होगा. So I'll put it in a box. Next up, I have two drink favorites. So the first is the mango iced tea, which I made in my mango challenge. I know I told you it does not taste right, but after later I added some water and some sugar and it tasted amazing. I've made it twice again and it tastes amazing. I love it. And the second drink I want to share is the one I made in my mystery color food challenge, in which I made a green grape drink, if you remember. So it was made of grapes, it was made of mint. So in the description I'm gonna mention that video, and I'll also mention the timestamp जहाँ पे exactly उसकी recipe है, so that you guys can go and check that out, because that drink was really amazing. And now we'll move on to the Netflix favorite. So I've been loving watching The Bold Type. I think I shared that with you already, but the season 5 is out. I watched one episode and I enjoyed it. There are 5 episodes left and I think I'm gonna binge watch them on the weekend, because I deserve that, okay? And now we'll talk about the fashion favorites. So I've not really shopped a lot during this month because of the lockdown and stuff, but I still have two things. So the first is this jumpsuit. Basically I got this last year from Street Style store. I also shared it in a haul, and I wore it just once and then सर्दी आ गई थी, so I just wore it this time and I enjoyed wearing it. This is so super comfortable. I wore it on my friend's birthday and I got a lot of DMs, where did you get this dress from, and it's so beautiful. It's so comfortable as well, and I personally love wearing jumpsuits in summers because I cannot wear jeans, okay? And the second fashion favorite I have is something which I recently shopped with, which are these heels. So this is how the heels look like. These are like brown block heels, and these I got from Street Style store, and I also did a haul like recently, like ek do videos pehle hi. And I love these heels. They are super beautiful, they look amazing, they look classy, and they are very comfortable also. So like these are like my favorite heels, and this is how my monthly favorites end. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my monthly favorites. And if you like this video, do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Please comment करके बताना आपका favorite product इन सब में से क्या है. I'm literally waiting for your comments this time, okay? So stay tuned, stay blessed, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.